Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
To obtain a mycelium block, you need a tool enchanted with Silk Touch. Silk Touch eye on a pickaxe or shovel is sufficient to harvest mycelium directly. Visit a mushroom fields or a rare spawn where mycelium generates naturally, then mine the block with Silk Touch to pick it up as an item. If you mine mycelium without Silk Touch, it will drop nothing, so do not use an unenchanted tool. Carry the harvested mycelium to your base for spreading or decoration. Mycelium spreads naturally from an existing mycelium block to nearby dirt or grass blocks when those target blocks are exposed to a light level of 9 or higher. Place torches, lanterns, or glowstone to maintain light and avoid enclosing the dirt under opaque blocks, because mycelium will not spread in darkness or under full cover. Ensure dirt or grass blocks are adjacent to a mycelium block. Spreading only converts nearby blocks, and to create a mycelium patch, place one Silk Touch harvested mycelium block as your seed and surround it with dirt or grass blocks you want converted. Maintain a light level of at least 9 across the entire target area using torches, lanterns, or glowstone placed strategically so no target block is fully covered. Leave the area undisturbed. Mycelium will naturally convert adjacent dirt or grass over time. For faster coverage, create multiple seeded mycelium blocks spaced within the area, and ensure nothing blocks sky or light access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.